Morning all, how was your day? So week 3 of 2024, a little bit windy out there. So any storms brewing up in the Reading property market this week? 168 new houses have come onto the market, big increase on last week's 117, and actually up on this time last year where there was 140. In terms of sales, 101, so again increase on last week's 77. However, that is down significantly on the same period this time last year where there was 124. And in terms of price reduction, 79 this week, so an increase of last week's 68, but down on 2023 where there was 92 in the same period. So what's selling and what's in demand? Well, the 3 beds, 45 this week, that's an increase of 18. 2 and 4 beds, level pegging with 21 sold each. And in terms of price ranges, 500 to 750,000 is this week's winner with 25 sales. Second place is 300 to 400,000 with 24, and that's an increase of 13 on last week. We've also seen buyer demand, eyeballs on houses that are currently on the market. That's increased again significantly, 86.4 people per day on average clicking on each home that's for sale. So first 3 weeks, fairly steady as you go and not too dissimilar to last year when you look at the overall. However, week 3 would have expected more sales, particularly off the back of 168 new houses coming onto the market, which is a lot more than we saw this time last year, but fewer sales than this time last year. So week 4 is going to be very, very telling. Last year, we had the odd week where it was higher and lower, but in the main, for every 100 houses that came onto the market, 83 were selling. Now, for the last 2 weeks, that's been just over 6 out of 10. So if that theme does continue, then we've got a little bit of bullish on the prices. I think people's heads are being turned by the positive news around the market, and it is positive news. The interest rates coming down. I mean, looking at this time last year, the best fixed rate was 4.3% on a 5-year. Now that's sub 4%. So there are reasons to be cheerful, but let's not get overly bullish on the pricing. Let's not get carried away. We're not back in the stamp duty holiday of mid-2020. So slight of caution. Make sure that you're picking the right estate agent, marketed in the right way, and pricing it correctly to start with. As ever, if you want to know exactly what's going on in your postcode with your type and style of property in Reading or any of the surrounding towns and villages, you can get in touch, give me a WhatsApp, give me a call, 07982 138 176, and you have an amazing day.